trying to think. Yeah, I'm not really sure strategically. Yeah. Well, because I'm wondering what you're gonna, because well, you can watch, and then I guess you can put your traps somewhere else. Like you don't have to put them on the gate this way, which is kind of nice. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'll just do what I usually do then. Just trap or lock these, and then I'll just sit left battery. The the usual. Well, I think what doing this is like I'm so dude. This Sunny's already up. The Sunny is already up. Wow, I am so slow compared to Leatherface. Jesus Christ, this feels terrible. I'm too used to playing Leatherface. This feels really bad. The Sunny has 625. Oh, it's because we have a baby Bella. Okay, that's why actually. Okay, never mind. I was just thinking, I was like, weird. But yeah, we have a baby Bella, so that makes sense. Okay, so Sunny is in the mill. Sunny's in the mill, like the top part. Oh, he's on me. He's on me. He's back in.
Alright, don't chase anybody. It's okay.
Okay.
I'm looking for okay. I got my eyes on Valve, so I'll get the chasing as soon as I put this down. So I got Fuse trapped, the crack in the mill, and Valve.
Yeah, they're like all over mill.
Okay. I'm about to go in there right now.
Alright. Yeah, I think they're both on me. Two of them are on me. Hit the Connie 3 times.
Alright, I see her.
Sunny grabbed a valve.
It's okay, I'm gonna chase the Connie.
Okay.
Stay on the crack, right here, by well. Oh, you could have killed her. Now she's gonna well.
Oh, how does that not hit? Yeah, I kind of hate playing Cook on this map. He's so fucking slow.
Oh, I got Virginia right here.
Pew pew.
Okay, Sunny in the rear.
Oh, they have the fuse open. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I just knocked her off of that.
Okay. Yeah, Leland's over by the mill too. They're doing pressure valve.
Yeah, I'm fighting. Can't do shit.
I hit the Sunny once. Twice. 3 times.
Where?
In the middle. He's going through the middle crack.
Oh. It sounds so much closer.
Really? Yeah, he's by fuse. You're doing valve, right? Oh, you're getting barged.
Yeah, I'm turning it off.
Yeah, this is why we can't have a baby
Might
Bubba.
just need to go back to gates, because not much to do here.
Yeah. All the gates are still locked, it looks like. Yep, all the gates are good.
Alright, Virginia's dead.
Nice. One's in mill top, and then one's on the bottom.
Alright. I'm gonna go check on Fuse real quick.
Yeah.
Fuse is good.
Okay. So our
Feed Grandpa, and then I'm gonna go in the mill.
so Cinder had to leave, I'm guessing.
Yeah. I think she has like date night or some shit. I don't know.
Okay. Leland's on me. He just barged.
You know, she didn't get a single kill this whole time.
Wait, really?
Yeah, we got all the kills.
Yeah, I mean, she was just watching like Gen side and
She
shit,
played
right?
for like 7 months straight.
Yeah.
So she was really good. But now she's like, she was using Dinner Bell and the default perk, bro, no scout. I'm like, what are you doing?
Well, her scout was level 1.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, what?
I'm on Leland. He's going to Valve.
Okay. Sonny's in Little
Yeah.
Mill. He's coming down the ladder. I'm gonna smack him a little bit.
I door slammed to Leland.
Okay. Chasing Leland
He's
or
dead.
Sonny. Okay, okay.
Yeah, keep him busy.
Yeah.
Connie's got low points. She maybe got a padlock, but I don't know. It's not important now.
Yeah, she
I see
got
where Sonny is.
left gen. It looks like I think.
Make Sonny barricade if you
I think
can.
he is. Yeah, he's running. He's running to you. He's right there.
Okay. He's dead then.
Okay. Yeah, she's left gen.
2v4 in the middle is crazy.
2v4.
Okay,
well,
she's got 1300.
yeah, she's got to be
I can check
gen.
Gen if you want to stay battery, because battery would be a lot easier for her to do than Gen will.
Okay.
Yeah, that lock's good.
Yeah, the left gen is off.
Okay. She's dumb for coming over here.
Yeah, she should have just went battery. Or did fuse.
Yeah, I'm on her right now.
Okay. We could be a little aggressive here now, since
Where'd
she's the
you
last
go?
one.
Oh, I'm on her. Yeah, you could come help if you want.
Okay.
She's gonna well. Oh no, she's going back out the gate.
Okay.
Yep, she's going right to you.
Yeah, I'm too slow for the.
Well,
Okay, she's
well,
welling. Well. Okay.
I'm gonna go down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Bubba's still down there.
Yeah, he's still.
Alright, I'm gonna feed Grandpa, then I'm gonna go down there. That's how she gonna stop it. 2v4 in the middle is embarrassing. This will be my second time doing that.
Yeah.
And my first time was against a 4-stack. I don't know if you know, what's her name? Miss Pink? XX? She's a streamer.
Oh, yeah. I've seen her before.
Yeah, I was sissy on the mill with Chief Stitch. And
Yeah.
we 2v4, bro. It was bad. Where'd she go?
I think she's
She didn't
going
go that way.
sewers. I think. I couldn't ping her.
Okay.
She
I
could.
hear her.
Oh,
I hear her by sewers. Good call.
okay.
I see her. She's going, mill.
Okay.
Ooh, pingage.
It's kind of like the old
Whack.
days.
I still got it.
I still got it. Okay, she's 3 hit. She's on the fuse exit, basically. Okay, she's bleeding out.
4K.
Nice,
Oh no,
bro.
she's dead. That's 3K.
Oh, she bled out. She bled out. Nice. Yeah.
Teabagging the fuck out of her.
Yeah. Okay, he's got the Neko Tarot skin. Honestly, we could probably go basement here. These guys have like no points. I know Cook's kind of slow as hell, but... I'm really surprised this guy hasn't got a kill yet. I think these victims really know what they're doing. Connie's in Leatherface Lair. I know you're killing someone, but she's running to Leatherface Lair. She's like by Fuse exit or Leatherface Lair. Yeah, yeah, right there. Go, go, go. They're still not out of the basement yet. They're all down here still. Nice. Okay, Danny has a door open now. I'm gonna go watch Silver sliding door. Or Silver slaughter, whatever. That was Bubba's fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Oh, Anna's on me. She's on the back of holding pen. She's going through the crack. Really, bro? You gonna stop moving? Bruh, Bubba. The fuck, bro? Bruh. Anna's on me on the back of holding pin. She's in that corner over here. She's in that corner. She's coming back in. Yep, there you go. Good job, good job. Bruh, this Bubba, dude. You still Bubba from me and then stall, bro? What the fuck's going on here, bro? Danny has my lock off right gen. Dude, why is our hands in the basement, bro? Oh, he's chasing her. I mean, that's still stupid. Like, he shouldn't be doing that. She's in holding pen. Oh, okay. She got a little shake and bake. Okay. Okay. Can't do shake and bake now, though, huh? Dude, what is this, bro? Why is this Cook... Why is Cook carrying here? He should not be carrying, dude. This is crazy. Yeah, the Leatherface. Damn, okay. GG.